What's up everyone, it's Cubes. Welcome to day 3 of Nationals. We're currently outside walking to the venue and it is raining, so yeah. I think the world record just happened. Let's see. Oh, sub 1. Just a sub 1.
It was just a sub 1 single, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
No, it was probably.
I thought there was world record single or something. Guys, it's like an hour later. It's so busy. It never ends. But 2x2 is starting. I have like probably like 30 minutes until I can compete for 2x2. So yeah, 2x2 starting, and I'm using Weipo WR S.
Take this down to the yeah.
Okay, Pyraminx starting, and I'm using a Weilong, so yeah, let's at least PR average.
8, 7.
Ready? Okay, Pyraminx round 1 went pretty good. I think I might have gotten PR average. That +2 on that 6 was pretty sad, but anyways, I don't know what's next. Probably 3x3, but now it's time for lunch. Okay, 3x3 is starting, and I'm hoping for PR average. I'm feeling pretty relaxed right now, and I'm using the Weilong V9 Special Edition with the PyCube logo, of course.
Eight seconds. Okay.
8. 3x3 round 1 went okay. I think I got like a 15 average, which is fine for me. So yeah, pretty sure that's all my events for the day. Watched Max Park do 3x3. There were too many people, and he also did 4x4, and he did fine. So yeah, I'm done competing officially for this competition, and next up you'll be seeing Alex, aka Ortega, keep producing 2x2, and then you'll also be seeing some Regions Cup. Alright, yo, we're in the hotel for a break, and we got some pizza. This looks so good. And, yeah, I'll see you back for Regions Cup, I think. Alright, we're ready to head back to the venue, and, yeah, now we're going to Regions Cup, and this will be very exciting. Magic is happening now.
Magic.
Is it your favorite event?
Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go!
Oliver's so hyped.
Where is Brayden to go? Come on, Brayden. Brayden! Brayden! Yeah, Brayden, let's go!
Junior, aka Mega Man Scooter, which Oliver's favorite.
Yeah!
Oh wait, wrong one.
Junior! Oh, yeah! Let's go!
Alright everyone, that has to have been the most hype competition thing ever. Congratulations to Luke, Garrett, and everyone else who's on that team. That was so awesome. And yeah, we're not quite done with the vlog yet. We're going to meet or take a cuber for late dinner, and yeah, that's gotta be like the best day ever. Magic was just hilarious, and yeah, let's go to it. Alright, so we just had like a quick dinner for him, and we're hanging out in the lobby with other cubers here. Awesome. And yeah, we're just gonna do this for a little while.
Yeah. It's just funny. I mean,
DNF.
It was really fun.
Not a DNF.
It's the most important thing according to Matthew. What? Yeah. 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 Delegate silverware. I hope they are. I've heard about one. It's funny. You're gonna send the video because I think he was also jumping.
Nice.
Oh, was it that kid?
Possible.
That you said you
Like literally.
headphones.
Oh no, that.
Okay, you want to see the best square one solved of all time?
Can I borrow? Can I just one solve when you're done?
Yeah.
Let's see.
This is gonna be sub 15.
Wait, I want to feel you.
What's that?
Bro can program like a billion things, but not an MOV file. Okay, the format is JSON. I'm gonna try something.
Ah,
Plus 2 to 14.
Plus 2. What do you guys want to do?
Okay, whenever people ever vlog me, every single time, I always get a 3 on clock whenever they vlog. So watch this, okay?
Okay,
I'm gonna
let's
get a 3. It happens every single time. I've proofed it like 3 times already, but I'll do it again.
He's
I'm
gonna
bad.
get a 3.
Oh, we can receive time still.
And obviously, if I don't get a 3, what that means is the vlog is scripted and this is all fake.
Oh no. Still a really good solve though. That's way better than I could do.
You said cheesy cubes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
All right, y'all. It's past midnight. We're still cubing, and technically that means end of day 3.
Wait, is it really?
What
what time is it?
Technically the end of the day 3 vlog, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next vlog.